first, I want to thank Biosetup Life Science for helping me to achieve my success. I am Anubhav Naskar from Kolkata. I have done my graduation from University of Calcutta on microbiology. I cleared Gat-B 2022 by the rank 84. In the time of my exam preparation, I joined Biosetup Life Science 30-day crash course, which helped me a lot to clear my exam. In 30 days, they strategically arranged the important topics and cleared all concepts very nicely, so I can easily attend all of my questions. They also took several exams and give me lot of questions set so that I can practice well. I also thank to all of my teachers in Biosetup Life Science, they helping me a lot. This course helped me a lot, and I will suggest is all of the other Gat-B aspirants to join this course so that they can prepare well and achieve their success. Thank you.